Naga City Seed Montessori and the City Government of Naga. I am Teacher Donna and I will be your host for today's event. For the processional, let us welcome the administrators, distinguished guests, the teachers, and the graduates together with their parents. This ceremony is a great opportunity to celebrate learning and to recognize an important milestone in the lives of our preschoolers. To formally start our program, please stand for the doxology to be led by selected PK2 pupils of Sid Montessori II, and please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Teacher Laura D. Briones.
Jesus, you are my King. Jesus, you are my King. Amazing love, how can it be? My King would die for me. Yeah. Amazing love, I know it's true. It's my joy to honor you. Amazing love, amazing love, how can it be that you, my King, would die for me? Yeah. Amazing love, I know it's true. It's my joy to honor you in all I do. I honor you in all I do. In all I do, I honor you.
Before we proceed with the next, you may take your seats, children. Before we proceed with the next part, we wish to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished guest, Councilor Salvador Del Castillo, Councilor Gail Abonal Gomez, and our CSWDO Department Head, Ma'am Annabel Vargas, and our ECDDO Division Head, Ma'am Elsie Marie M. Romano. To give us the welcome address, let us all hear it from our pre-kindergarten 1 pupil of Sid Montessori 2, Luan Ali H. Riorizo.
Honorable City Mayor, Attorney Nelson S. Ligacion, to our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Cecilia Veloz de Asis, to the SP Chairman for the Committee on Education, Councilor Lito Delisario, to the SP Chairman for the Committee on Children, Councilor Gilda Gil Abonal Gomez, to our CSWDO Head, Mrs. Annabel S.J. Vargas, to our ECCD Head, Mrs. Elsie Maria M. Romano, to all our city officials, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates. A pleasant afternoon to all. I would like to welcome you all in our closing ceremony for school year 2022 to 2023. Today marks an important milestone and achievement in our life. We are very happy to be sharing this event with you. May we all have an exceedingly triumphant and joyous day. Once again, good afternoon to one and all.
Thank you very much, Luan. To present the candidates for graduation, may we call on the Early Childhood Care and Development Division Head, Mrs. Elsie Maria M. Romano, and for the confirmation of the candidates for graduation is our City Social Welfare and Development Officer, Mrs. Annabel S.J. Vargas.
Maya, hello. Please stand up, everyone. Stand up, please. Okay. Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the 104 candidates for graduation who have satisfactorily completed the pre-kindergarten curriculum for the school year 2022-2023. For your confirmation, ma'am.
By the power of the virtue vested on me by the local government of Naga, I now confirm 104 graduates of Montessori 1 and 2 who have successfully passed and completed the Montessori curriculum for the school year 2022-2023. Children, please turn your tassel on the right. Congratulations!
Thank you, Ma'am Elsie and Ma'am Bell. Thank you. To showcase their God-given talents, let us witness an intermission number from selected PK1 pupils of Sid Montessori 2. We would like to give thanks to Robinson's Naga for our venue.
the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we bring. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation, the rich and the poor. We are a world of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us, helping each other, build each other, as long as we're together, you and me. For together we stand, divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want, for the world to see that we are the children of yesterday's dream. We have the yearning to do what is best, be someone special from all the rest. Nation and brothers in unity, building tomorrow for you and for me. We are a world of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us, helping each other, build each other, as long as we're together, you and me. For together we stand, divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want, for the world to see that we are the children of yesterday's dream. Together we stand, divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want, for the world to see that we are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the children of yesterday's
Thank you very much for that wonderful number. We are delighted to have with us this afternoon and give her message our Sangguniang Panglungsod Chairman for the Committee on Children. Let us all welcome Councilor Gail R. Abonal Gomez.
Good afternoon po, maray na hapon. Good afternoon, children. So I wish to acknowledge first Teacher Elsie Maria Romano, the ECCDO Division Head, Ma'am Annabel Vargas, our Department Head for the City Social and Welfare Development Office. With me today is my co-counselor, Counselor Badong del Castillo. So I know that this is a very special day, not only to our graduates, but also to our parents and teachers as well. Today, we celebrate your children's success, their achievements. Entering preschool is both significant and critical. Significant because this marks another milestone in their lives, the beginning of their education, of their lifelong learning. Critical because it is when they begin to build trust outside the home and family. When your children wake up excited every day and would want to keep coming back to school, it means that they have learned to trust their teachers, classmates, and others in the school. That also means that their parents have equipped them with enough warmth and affection, knowing that the people they meet in school will provide them with more. So congratulations to you, our dear parents. Let us all give them applause. Kids, I am also sure that your teachers will miss you. So let us all clap our hands for them. Say thank you to your teachers. Can you say thank you to your teachers? Thank you, teachers. I know that they are your everyday heroes. They are your first companions in school. I tell you, whenever and wherever, you will never forget the songs they taught you and the stories they have told you. But another essence of education would be the development of your character and values in the process of learning. Every day, your teachers emphasized on kindness, compassion, honesty, and integrity. Let us not forget all these. They still prove to be the best weapon in the struggles to come. So my little ones, this is your moment, and I pray that all of you continue to shine bright and live right. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you very much, Councilor Gail. And now, for the distribution of certificates, please welcome the Sid Montessori graduates of 2023 together with their parents. Republic of the Philippines, City of Naga, Early Childhood Care and Development Division Head, Naga City Sid Montessori Certificate of Completion is hereby awarded to for having satisfactorily completed the pre-Kinder 1 curriculum at Naga City Sid Montessori from September to June 2023, given this 24th day of June 2023 at Robinson's Naga Center Atrium, Naga City. Signed, ECCDDO Division Head, Elsie Maria M. Romano, CSWDO Department Head, Annabel S.J. Vargas, and Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, City Mayor. To receive the certificates of completion for the pre-Kinder 2 level under Teacher Noraline Diazis.
Candidates for graduation for this school year 2022 to 2023, boys, Marlil Roy Zay Bandin. Johan Blake Di Bihada. Miguel Chase R. Delfino. Christian Mike Tohon. Hindi po. Zach Aiden Salon. Cipriano Charles Justin Panis. Marcos Philip Rabago. Liam Jaden T. Zalsos. Okay, girls, be ready. Zia Marie Franzel B. Antero. Stephanie France and Bailon. Marion Estrella P. Datiles. Therese Simeon D. Jasmine. Mary Akia S. Ovias. Sia Jerel Amara V. Olieta. Francine Grace D. Keliope. Samantha Braille Keliope. Up. Pia Micaela and Rabago. Sid Montessori 1 pupils, congratulations.
To receive the certificates of completion for the nursery level morning session under Teacher Edna P. San Jose.
Nursery Morning Session. Boys, Ellie A. Batalier. Mark Francis C. Villaflores. Alis. Renzo Luigi R. Cheng. Irvin John D. Lee. Gabriel Dane Likmuan. Dominic Noah and Kali. Shavaya and Alejandro. Aletea Luis S. Alilano. Bella E. Balmes. Catriona T. Verses. Jewel Elijah C. Almero. Atara Bril Q. Cantillo. Atalia P. Epe. Emery Quincel and Hakubo. Jacinth Emeline P. Perbera. Maria Catriona F. Salvamante.
To receive the certificates of completion for the nursery level afternoon session under Teacher Mia T. Felipe.
Thank you so much, Teacher Donna. To receive the certificate of completion for the nursery level, Ethan James Buenaventura. Ethan. Prince Ulrich I. Medroso. Dylan A. Panambo. Honesto I. Perez III. Elian Ray D.G. Pielago. Zakia Francine Aboga. Chantel Amara H. Amelano. Preciosa Magella P. Ayen. Adriana Royalty G. Bider. Ayesha Delia Bayrante. Kegan Tris A. Diaz. Zavia Zavana P. General. Mariah Shamara V. Rimbao. And lastly, Kenna Rizabel R. Sia.
To receive the certificates of completion for pre-kinder 1 level morning session under Teacher Glacy Ann A. Rito.
To receive the certificate of pre-kinder 1 level, Angelo John P. Cañete. Jacob Harden and Maravilla. Zen Chester S. Marbella. Ken C. Manoles. Wyatt Dylan R. Perfecto. Alberto D. Recto. Luan Ali H. Riorizo. Zane Asher S. Santilesis. Calvin Rafael V. Santiago. Daniel Rose A. Jucaresa. Safira Ayesha G. Nedea. Ellie Marie G. Palmes. Nelly Summer B. Sichong. Last, Waynona Isabel G. Tibatil.
To receive the certificate of completion for the pre-kinder 1 level afternoon session under Teacher Maria Charisma Z. Escueta.
Franz
Gabriel B. Batak. Paul Angelo S. Camata. Edward B. Francisco. Asher Cray E. Ibardaloza. Joaquim Elijah D. Leonardo. Raven Angelo and Rosine. Jacob James G. Tandog. Charles Andre M. Ulit. Ozella Akiko P. Alipante. Dayan A. Amaro. Alexandra F. Borhal. Anisha ICB Trafalgar.
To receive the certificate of completion for the pre-kinder 2 level morning session under Teacher Elizabeth G. Bartolome.
Cloud Ivan B. Bautista. Cloud Ivan D. Bautista. Zachariah Chris B. Cortez. Isaiah B. De Las Nieves. Erwin Axel A. Di Quiros. Vincent C. Marjolino. Eric James S.B. Riola. Andrew F. Tarala. Zyler R. Tomorrow. Kyle R. Gonzalez. Kylie Nicole B. Oliver. Rian P. Pitalio. Rowan Chloe M. Revillon. Lorene Marie R. T. Recto. Amara Isabel M. San Andres. Danica Dion B. Toquero.
To receive the certificate of completion for the pre-kinder 2 level afternoon session under Teacher Ella May P. Amilano.
Thank you, Teacher Don. Jet Liam D. Archaga. John Marcus B. Guanizo. Nazia Noel S. Lorilia.
Tristan Jake O. Machika. Art Ezekiel A. Pelaez. Andre Nino C. Rivivar. Isaiah Riggs T. Valenzuela. Micaela Sofia M. Balane. Ayesha Genesis R. Billones. Janella Faith N. Bukaya. Samantha Giselle M. Marco. Marcy A. Milante. Majil Marie R. Morte. Jella Priya A. Pitalio. Malia Devi Luna B. San Lorenzo. Congratulations to all the graduates and of course to their very supportive parents, and of course thank you to our distinguished guests for joining us on stage. Through the years, our teachers have always been in quest for the hidden talents and potentials of their pupils. At this juncture, let us welcome the selected pupils of Sid Montessori II for a special number. Again, we would like to thank Robinson's Naga for our venue and for our distinguished guests for having us today. Again, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Sid Montessori II dancers. So let us give them a warm round of applause.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Thank you very much for that amazing dance number. For the words of gratitude, let us listen to Johan Blake de Bejada, a pre-kindergarten 2 pupil of Sid Montessori 1.
To our Honorable City Mayor Attorney Nelson S. Higacion, to our City Vice Mayor Honorable Cecilia values the assist. To the SP Chairman for the Committee on Education, Councilor Lito S.A. Del Rosario. To the SP Chairman for the Committee on Children, Councilor Hilda Gail Abunal Gomez. To the CSWDO Head, Mrs. Annabel S.J. Vargas. To the ECCD Head, Mrs. Elsie Maria M. Romano. To all our city officials, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, good afternoon. In behalf of Naga City Sid Montessori Batch 2023, we would like to express our sincerest gratitude for taking the time to be with us today. This important event and milestone in our life. Thank you to the city officials and stakeholders for the support in the educational programs for the children of Naga. To our teachers for their patience and guidance that prepared us for our next educational journey. To our parents and guardians for their unconditional love. In above all, to our Almighty God for the blessings and protections in all our undertakings. We give our sincerest gratitude. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Johan. Before we proceed with the next part, may we acknowledge the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion. Good afternoon po, Mayor So. At this moment, let us watch this audio-visual presentation featuring our year-long school activities.
Two little words,
And now, let us listen to the message of our guest speaker and our very own City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Day ko po aram na guest speaker ako. Ang paghuna ko, parte ako kan Sid Montessori. Kaya bakong guest. At any rate, inuton ko po ang pagtaong galang sa mga pag-iriba sa Sanggol ni Ampang Lungsod. Nayaon po digdingon yan. Palakpakan ta po si Councilor Doc Gail Abonal Gomez and Councilor Buddy Del Castillo. Siring man po ang sa tuya pong Educare Supervisor, si Ma'am Elsie Romano. Pambira pati ang porma. And siring man po ang sa tuya pong CSWDO Head, si Ma'am Annabel Vargas. Asin siyempre, kaya man pala araw kayo ini ang forma ni Ma'am Elsie, taan mga teachers, iuman. Palakpakan ta po ang sa tuyang mga Educare teachers, mga magurang, mga bisita, nayaon ngunyan, and siyempre ang sa tuya pong mga kaakian, congratulations sa Indo po Gabos, palakpakan ta. Ang sa tuyang mga aki, ayan. So, closing ceremony, graduation, pagtatapos, alagad, sa totoo lang, pigahandaan ta na si kasunod na baitang, si kasunod na stage kan sa tuyang mga aki. Nanodan ko po kaito, there are two important factors affecting a child, a person. Parehong N. Nature, nurture. Nature, nurture. Pag sinabing nature, kung ano ka talaga, kung ano si pinaghalian mo, kung ano si mga magurang mo. Nurture, si kapalibutan. Si kapalibutan na pigdadakulaan kan mga aki. And it is in this regard that I would like to emphasize the important role, especially of the parents. Kung ano ang sinasabi ta, kung ano ang ginigibo ta, asin nahihiling, nadadangog kan sa tuyang mga aki, laumon po nindo, all of this will be imbibed, will become part of the child, of your children. Kaya po baga, dapat ang mga magurang nagiging maingat sa pigtataram po ninda. Lalo't pag nagdadangog ang mga aki. Taminsan, kung ano ang pigtataram ni Papa, ni Mama, iyon naman po ang pigtataram kan aki. Kung para muda, ang magurang nadadangog, nahihiling kan mga aki, ay, iyo naman ang mga aki. Alagad kung mabuot, kung magalang, ang mga magurang, si nanay, si tatay, sa kada saro, si pagtratar sa mga aki, iyo man din po yan, ang sa tuyang mga aki. Secondary na lang po ang mga teachers and all other persons na nakapalibot po sa satuyang mga kaakian. Kaya dai po lingawan si mahalagang papel nindo na mga magurang, taaram po nindo. Kaya sa indo ko piga-address ang sa kuyang message, tadai man na po yan naiintindihan kan mga aki, mga restless na po bagasinda. Kaya mapundo na po ako. Congratulations sa mga aki, and of course, to all the parents who have devoted their time para po sa pagklase, sa pagdakula, kain sa indong mga aki, sa kamautan na matawan po sindanin marhay na puturo, siyempre permi pong nagpupuon sa arog kaning stage. Congratulations and salamat. Maray na paghahapon.
Thank you very much, Mayor Son. A lot has happened already and we're very grateful to everyone who has been part of this special event. Now, to formally close our program, let us listen to our pre-kindergarten 2 graduate of Sid Montessori 2, Iskyle R. Gonzalez.
To our city officials, headed by Mayor Nelson S. Legacion and Vice Mayor Cecilia Veluz de Asis, City Councilors, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, good afternoon. Today, we formally close our program, marking the end of our pre-kindergarten journey. But this is not the end. This is just the beginning of an exciting trip ahead of us. We are more than ready to take on our new challenges in our education because we're bringing with us the meaningful experiences and valuable lessons that we gained from Sid Montessori. Once again, our big thanks to the people behind the success of this event. Congratulations, fellow graduates. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Sky. And for the final hymn, here are the Sid Montessori graduates for their graduation song, Pangako. Congratulations! We would like to give thanks. We would like to give our immense gratitude to the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion, Vice Mayor Cecilia Veloz Asis, and the rest of the City Councilors. All this will not be possible without the technical assistance from the City Events Protocol and Public Information Office, headed by Mr. Allen L. Riondanga. Thank you to the Sid Montessori administrators and teachers who have once again succeeded in producing well-rounded graduates, and of course to the parents for their unconditional love and support. This has been Madonna Gajero. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. Just babalos po sa Indoga Boss. And again, we would like to thank Robinsons Naga for our venue. Thank you so much.
Kasaysayan, aloy ng panahon, ikaw pinangaran sa kahoy na mapusugon. Naging puso kang kabikulan, banwaan na nasasaligan, mga angat kay tinalikudan. Ipinta kasi ko sa kagamsan, mga palaot kagaglalan, sarog na pusog, masulog na salog, marambong nakapag-ibutan. Nagana, gusto pa mangenod sa pagbabago. Nagana, gusto pa magayon na syudad ko. Nagana, gusto pa ipag-orgulyo sa inapan sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw mamuna ka. Sa kasaysayan, haloy ng panahon, ika pinangaran sa kahoy na mapusugon. Ngunyan, ika ang istaran, banwaan na nasasaligan, mga angat na ay tinalikudan. Ipagsasambitan sa iman magduman, ikukuran